welcome to my kitchen. It's a new sort of video today. I want to say welcome if you're new. Welcome. This is mainly a purse channel, but you know, I don't have anything to do for purses today. So, you guys, I was searching around on YouTube for just something yummy, kind of different, and you know, not too high in calories, but I don't know. This just really looked good. So it's probably high in calories, I don't know, but I'm doing it sugar-free edition, which I'm really excited about. And it's actually just a BLT. I don't remember who I saw this, which video it was, but I did find it here on YouTube somewhere. And it's gonna be the best BLT sandwich that I think I've ever tasted. And let me just show you what we're gonna be using. We're gonna be using, of course, I've got, like, I'm bending over because I've tried to get my camera in the right position here. Here, let me turn you a little bit, I don't know, this way, that way, I don't know. Let me just angle the camera down. How about that? And then we'll just show you what I'm using here. So we're gonna be using, obviously, I'm gonna slice up tomatoes. I've got a fresh head of lettuce that I'm gonna be cutting up here. Hold on, guys, I'm getting my lettuce. I've got to wash my lettuce. So the head of lettuce, I've got some bacon. I have got, believe it or not, it's a Splenda, which is a sugar-free brown sugar. My sugar-free syrup. Some, I like mild cheddar cheese. Lettuce, bread, and most people like mayo on their BLTs, but my husband and I, we do not like mayonnaise, but we're gonna use mustard because it's gonna just like really pop that sweet taste that I'm going to be putting on the bacon. Okay, so let's get started. So did you guys know that vine ripened tomatoes are the best? They stay the longest, they have the most flavor, and yeah, they're the bomb. So if you're ever wondering, you always want to get fresh vine ripened tomatoes. So let's just go ahead and slice these up, get them all yummy. Ooh, they look delicious. My little babies are on the floor beneath me waiting for something to drop. I don't think you guys want tomatoes, do ya? No, I don't think so. Okay, and one more. Now, Reed is very picky about his food. He, unfortunately, will not eat BLTs, so he's just gonna have leftover spaghetti tonight, and Randy and I are going to chow down on this deliciousness. So, here we go. Here's our nice, fresh tomatoes. Don't worry, hands have already been washed and sanitized, so nobody has to worry about that, because that would just be gross if I didn't. And I'm gonna put these in the trash real quick, the little leftover pieces. Okay. Here is the fresh lettuce that I just cleaned really well, and just a few pieces to garnish with, and I'm gonna go ahead and set this in the refrigerator to keep cool. Separate that a little bit. So there's the lettuce and tomato. Let's go ahead and put this in the refrigerator. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to mix up the brown sugar. You can get this at any grocery store, Walmart. And I wanna get it to a consistency of like just drippy, because that's what I'm going to baste the bacon with. Don't forget, you guys, sugar-free. Go sugar-free, it's the best. So we're just gonna mix till I get it the consistency that I like. Oh, I wish I had smell-o-vision. This smells so good. So, like that, that's perfect. Okay, so I took just my basic like cookie sheet thing here, and then this is actually a, when you cool your cookies after you bake them, I lined my pan so it doesn't make such a mess, because y'all know bacon and the sugary stuff can make a hot mess. So I'm just gonna take the bacon out of here. And I chose the hickory, what is it, hickory smoked bacon. You can use whatever. You can use turkey bacon if you want, which I didn't really even think about. I guess I could have done that. But then we're just gonna lay all the bacon out and it's all its good glory. Randy said, oh, you should have gotten two, because he could easily eat a whole pack of bacon on his own with the sandwiches. That boy can put the food away. Me, I'm good if I can eat a whole sandwich, but I guess that's a good thing. And then I'm always hungry like 3 hours later. I'm ready to eat again about 3 hours later. So, whatevs. And then after these are all laid out, which should be any second now, there's actually more bacon in this pack than I thought there would be, so that's cool. Do you guys love BLT sandwiches? Let me know down below if you've ever had this kind before, or if you have any like fun special recipes, leave me to the link because I cook every night, you guys. I cook every single night, and I like to change it up once in a while. Now it's gonna start getting summertime, so I'll probably wanting to do a lot of salads, sandwiches, you know, stuff I don't have to stand over a stove with or turn the oven on, because it just heats up the house that much more. Okay, so now that the bacon's all laid out, wash my hands. I am going to just spoon on. I may have to make more, it looks like. Spoon on the brown sugar and syrup. Yeah, definitely gonna have to make more. Gosh, I didn't think I would need this much, but let's make it good. Nice and delicious. If you guys try this, definitely let me know what you think, or if you've already had it, let me know what you think. I wish I could remember who I saw this from. I swear, I was combing for different sandwich recipes since summer's coming up, and this is what came up, one of them. So hold on, let me get some more mixture here. The more the merrier, in my eyes anyways. Just let that in there, yummy, yummy, yummy. And you guys, if you've never had this sugar-free brown sugar or syrup, let me tell you, it is delicious. Personally, I can't tell any difference. So if you have to watch your calories, or you're diabetic, or you just choose not to have sugar, this is the next best route, I think. Because you can still, we all need something sweet once in a while, you know? We want to be like everybody else, but not have all those calories and so on and so forth. So there we have that. Now I'm going to preheat the oven. Let me wash my hands again. Actually, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my little baster and get all, the whole thing. Make sure I get all of it nice and yummied out. I like to cover the whole thing. When I'm basting or I'm marinating, I like to get every part of the meat. I'm just anal like that, I guess. I only do one side though. I won't do both sides. So I guess I'm not that bad. Okay, you guys, so then we're gonna stick this in a preheated oven. So we're gonna put it at 400 degrees. And let that baby heat up, and then we'll cook it up. All right, so let's get it in the oven, you guys. It's at 400 like you just saw. Make the house smell delicious. And I think we're gonna do it for about, we're gonna start off at 15 minutes and see how it looks. We went ahead and went for 20 minutes and it came out, it looks to me to be perfect. Oops, it's heating up a little bit. I don't like soggy bacon, so there it is, right? Yummy. Actually, I'm gonna shake the mustard first. So most people like mayo, like I was saying, but Randy and I, we do not choose mayo. We're not mayo people. So if you do like it, go for it. But we're just gonna use some mustard. And then I'm gonna go ahead and grab the, let's see, where's the little tongs at? Some bacon. I like the really done bacon the best. And I'll probably just use 2 pieces on mine, and Randy can have about 15 pieces on his. Right, babe?
That's right.
Gotta love your bacon, right, honey? Okay, look at that deliciousness right there, you guys. Then I'm going to add some mild cheddar. I hope you're okay with mild cheddar, honey, because that's what I got. I didn't want sharp.
Oh, that's fine. It's usually what we get.
And come off of there. It's kind of crackling on the bacon. And then a slice of tomato. And Randy will probably like salt and pepper his. I don't. Actually, let's get a better hand to cut it with. And voila. You want to see some serious deliciousness? Right here. And then I'm going to garnish it with a slice of dill pickle. Okay, you guys, and that's it. So if this looks good to you, bon appetit. Thanks to my cameraman. Love you. Bye, guys.